Alright, here we go. Put it on regular, economy off. Everything seems fine, plenty of gas. Just added a couple of gallons, or plenty of gas. Have issues. Leave it on choke for a little bit. Maybe I'll get some more gas. Once I put it on run, it started happening. We ran it all night long. Straight gas. Now it's doing this. This don't make any sense. It just started like 30 minutes ago. Of course, my luck, freezing cold. It runs a little heater for my daughter, but if I plug anything, it would cut off. And this is just a light, a lamp. Ran fine all night long, but this is a little heater. It made it work a little bit, but I mean, like, it should be doing this. This is not normal here. If we put it on economy, it'll probably cut off. I don't know why. That don't make no sense. We'll try it again. I'm gonna try it without anything plugged to it. It shouldn't. I mean, it ran fine without any issues last night. But it cut off. Nothing. Why is that? My bad luck. I don't know if this is like the third one, man. So stressful. Try it again. Maybe it needs to cool down or something, or overheating. If it overheated, why wouldn't the light come on? Let's search. This is a gas issue.